Hey guys, good evening from beautiful sunny Mazatlan where we're actually having a thunder shower. You know? Good Lord, I was sitting in the front door watching the rain come down and I saw this spark. Not a big spark. Spark maybe the size of a golf ball, a baseball. Hard to tell because you don't know how far away it is, but I heard it snap. And it, in less than a quarter second, boom, the loudest thunderclap. It must have been right overhead. I've never seen anything like that before. Like, geez, we've had a few really good ones here. And in the meantime, we're going back on, I don't know what he's on about. And let's see, just watching something else on the TV in the living room. So we're just hanging out. We're not doing much of anything, really. And she went out to the other house with Lively today. And spent the afternoon with Lively, so that's kind of nice. They get a chance to be together. And the next 3 nights, Lively has to work. So, and I'm hoping tomorrow that we'll get out together and go down maybe Olis Eldis and have a drink at one of the restaurants or something. But I'm not sure about that yet. We gotta. Peter says, "Oh, I'll see how I feel when I get up and what the weather's like." And he says, "So hot." I said, "Yeah." I said, "Go down to Chilios, you're all right. You're in the shade and you get fans there." Okay, she said, "We'll see." So we'll see. That's about it, guys. Holy moly. Today I was actually quite active, but I'm still having problems with my left calf and my left foot. Way too tight, like way too tight. Can't trust them at all. Don't know where they're going to go when I go to put them down. And Alejandra comes again tomorrow, so we'll work on that some more. That's about all the news. Hear that wonderful thunder. It's such a thrill when it happens here because it's so rare and it's usually so intense, like way more powerful than storms you'd ever see in New Brunswick. The only thing I've ever seen close in Canada was driving between Jasper and Edmonton one night, and out there on the prairie in the bus, I was going, I don't know where I was going. I'm going to catch the airplane back to the Maritimes, I guess. And there you go. I heard that little snap again just before. You can play that back to yourself. You can hear a little snap and then bang! Massive thunderclap. Holy moly guacamole. That's kind of fun. I'm glad the house is made of brick. In this house, that's one thing the landlady does a good job of. Always make sure that the roof is properly sealed. It's a flat roof, so the water has nowhere to run really, unless there's a substantial bit of it. And they use a rubberized, like paint, cement to coat the roof and keep the water out. And it works really well. We've always been dry here, knock on wood, so. Anyway, guys, now you know what I'm doing. Holy moly, that's loud. Lupita, arriba del casa, see? Yeah. On top of the house. Okay, guys, I'll let you go. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.